Right? You ain't getting a starting from this, and we all know that. But the month flashback, no flashback. Yeah, okay, that's good. Mesti lah. Balotelli. Jorginho. Penalty, good. Cristiano Ronaldo, Zoe just got the goal. Wait, let's see. Zoe just got the goal. Oh, Ronaldo walk out, bro. He's so good. Torres. See. Should I? Nah. Not watch ads. Bro, we got a goal. Nah. Another duplicate? Nah, but not so well. Brrr. Skibidi dop. Hoiberg. And then I'll got that. Okay, Italian. Marjorie. And are you right? Portuguese, right now? Yes. Bruh, what I do? Okay. Come on, this has to be Peter Crouch. No, do Peter Crouch. Don't say that. Modric. Yeah, this has to be good, but Tori. No. Bonanza. Rafael. No, 98. 89. So close. Cavani. Wait, Cavani was my offense. No. Yeah, opening 90s and 91s. We're gonna get an icon from this. Yeah, honey. I just guessing good. I don't even find how you 91. Okay, I'm good and I know everything. I guess only because he has a 90s. We got the best player in the world. He 58 pace. Zlatan Ibrahimovic. Champions? Oh, I can. Okay, we can. Pelé. Ledger. See, okay. It's okay. Amazing, but terrible. Level up. See, come on. Get John Goretzka. Oh, not level up. Get Mbappe. No. Manchester City. Who's this? For Foden? 94? No. 94 is a blue and black. Blue, black. No, I get in my color mixed. How is it possible? Black and green. Yeah. French. There. Cecilia. What about? That's an amazing hurricane right back. We got the Penrose again. And an icon. This is gonna be Zinedine. 94. No, he's 91. No, he's on Pelé. Give me Cafu. I'm good. I can't say bother. Yeah. Bro, what a pack I'm thinking so far. Okay, oh my god. No. You want the season? Glasnost. Zinchenko. Sweep. Go, we got Zinchenko. 91, 92. Look at me, Roger. Oh my god! I got the village. That's the most common one. I wanna hold it. Raven, yeah, I want hold it only. Hold it, I got Muller. Those are the only two that I'm taking. New see, England. Sorry for that, now that you heard it. And Ramsey, because the car and G, sweet. And some Castellanos killing it. We are getting last year this one. And that's how you do. 92% just. See, I knew that, bro. That's me new. Is that you? Wait, what? It's not even new. No new special cards now. 3. 4. We're back to 4 runs. 91, 92. Good. I'm good. Call me good. Let's hear that, sorry. Flop alarm. Terrible. I just bro, bruh. I don't know what I'm saying, bro. Actually, I'm getting to the point where I'm just getting 1 new special card. 1 new every time. Need to be new. Guys, huh? Oh no. Full card. Yeah, full card. See. 2 news. Bruv. This game. I don't know. We're never gonna get an MADFUT icon. Seriously. Whenever. But doing that would be amazing. We got a normal icon. Taliana. Dumbos. Maldinho. That's good. That's amazing. Okay, we got 2 new fancy cards. Russia and Dawson. What is this? And one goalkeeper. Nick Pope. Nick. Nickelodeon. Here we got a red pick for champs. Nigeria. Ozime. Hanko. Antoine. Bruh. Rule breakers. This will be for Cam. Yep. Cam Fiaker. I just said Fiaker. Bro, you said Fiaker. Come on, just get one. Damn, the icon. Let me see it. Hold it. Please hold it. No, it's a dupe vendor, sir. I can make a full team of dupe. You better get one. Okay, let's just open this 10% on this back because we are never getting one. I knew it. 5 star. Bastoni. Okay, come on. We have to get one. Best 11. No, we need this. Come on, let's go. Sangare. A whole. We have gotten 4 new players. That is good. Goal is terrible. Actually, horse. Bro, if we don't get one, okay, fine. Look, sure, it's okay. Okay, I don't know. Green in there, man. Cape de Villa. Where are they? What do you say if I was a museum? I said I want to say Fernando Morientes. Bruh. What is it? What's the watch? You have to watch. You know, this one, Richard. Pinda. Ooh, we go. No, we can. 99% Mbappe. Tolisso. No, we have good packs. 100% top special pack. Yeah, thoughts. Ozyman. Oh, si Carlo. Ozyman. Plata. Usmane. The 99 card. We'll wait for. Is it Mbappe? Is it Zidane? We're gonna get Pele. I'm gonna get Bala. Yep. So take. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I mean, it's a 95 plus pack. 97 Steiger. I've never seen this man be packed. But this Haaland. Courtois. Oh, De Bruyne. 97. And I go for like 6 more of these. Let's go. It's gonna be amazing. Shapeshifter icon. I saw that white. Let's go. Vampasi. What is this? Okay. Zola. Oh my, that's amazing too. Oh my, look at those stats. This is the best. Teacher. 95 prospects I've ever opened. Because these are for... Just kidding. Portuguese. Another Silva. Oh, 95 rated. Oh my god, this is gonna be... This is so good. So cool. Shapeshifter. You're never going to go. 40. Muriel. Yeah, Muriel. That's terrible, 95. I mean, it's faster skills like it. Those cards, those are amazing. 97 Joe, 97, like pace too. 5 star. I remember. Okay, let's go. Tempo, this is Haaland. You two Haaland. No, who's this? Bro, we got red and we got blue Bernardo Silva. Let's go. You play both for me. Let's go. Sweep. But we already hit the sweep. Team out here again. Let's just go. Oh no! Hold it. Who's this? Seriously. Ronaldinho! Oh my! Ronaldinho! Oh my! Oh no! Let's go! Ronaldinho! Swipe! Ito na yung icon. Timo the season. Abi. Alexis Sanchez. It's okay. Without stats, he's not okay. He's amazing. Tapi apa lagi start? Okay. Who is the 99 card? Shapeshifter. What? Shapeshifter. Oh, it's a 40. Oh, 99. Messi. Ronaldo! I know it's gonna be a 99 fantasy cup, but it doesn't matter because it's Ronaldo. Say. Let's go. Good. Yes. Oh my god. Go. Represent my foot. I come back. Come on, open these. See. Oh my, that was amazing. I love Sui. I want to say Sui all the time. Sui like all the time. Ruben Diaz. Number 3. Plata dupes. Like MADFUT outcome. We ain't getting MADFUT outcome. Oh no, that bro. Uruguay, love it. Viña. No. We ain't getting one there. So I don't know what I'm saying to 300 specific. Let's go. I'm on face, but the video will be too long. My water pack. Okay, we're gonna end in 91 plus pack. Gonna be good. No, it'll be terrible because the team on the way. It's Mbappe. It's Salah 93. 92, right? 91, bruh. Okay, what? Did I just see? You can see myself say, okay. Okay, guys, so that's the end of the enjoyment. Please like and subscribe, and views.
Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Can you please like and subscribe, please? I wanna go on YouTube channel. Bye, guys.